Welcome back to our social studies series. In the previous video, we already talked about our first chapter, India Relief Futures, where we see the maps, important question, repeating question, whatever the present in that, we see everything. Okay, and in today's video, we are going to cover like that our second chapter, ideas of development, and in this chapter we will cover the most important questions and multiple choice questions. Okay, so let's start here. So if you see, this is a notes. Actually it is given about your chapter, but I will also upload this one also. Notes also I will upload if I get a time. But first of all, let's see the our important question. So actually this is a practice questions here it is given, like which is already repeating and repeating from the our Telangana board, and this is our multiple choice question. So multiple choice question is important because you know that 20 marks it's carry. So let's see here. So this is your first question, and let's read the second question. The most common indicate of measuring the economical development: income, equal treatment, security, freedom. Okay, which is your correct answer? You can write it. Okay, has the World Bank report rich country refer with the, so actually World Bank tell about the which if a country have that much dollars, rupees, so they will be rich. So how much dollar they need for the rich country? So it is given here. Okay, we have to tell about it. Okay, what is an NOT? One of the dimensional of the health development index, that is the HDI, human development index. Okay, public distribution system is mean by, what is the mean by the public distribution systems? Okay, like transport, medical, health, education, estimated communities. Okay, whatever it is, so you have to choose the one of this one. Okay, the number of children who died with the year of out of thousands refer has the infant mortality rate, material mortality, life expectancy, or death ratio. So why you have, what we have to say, IMR, or that is a death ratio. What is correct answer for this of two? We can just write this. Human development index does not include social indication, healthcare, education, sex ratio. Okay, what is the correct answer? You can write it. Okay, now the ninth question is there. The development goal of landless rural laborers are, what is the development? If let's suppose you are a, if you want to be a political student, then this is a good topic about you. You will understand everything. Let's suppose if you think you if you see the landless ruler or labor, okay, then what type of development goal you will settle for them? Okay, let's suppose you are a person, you are a student, then what type of development goal you need? Okay, like you need to be a good college after the 10th class, you need a good scholarships, like that development you will need. You will need free transportation for your home to the school, that's the college only. Okay, right, so these are the development goals. So definitely you have to read the politics. This is a very interesting chapter. Okay, so total income is not useful for the comparison between the countries, because okay, so actually, well, till here only, that's the enough. And now this is a read the given text and answer this question. So actually you have to read this text like paragraph, and you have to give the answer of 12 and 13. Okay, so you can read that and you can just give the answer. Okay, you have to practice these questions. These questions are very important. Okay, from this chapter, if you practice every set of question from this chapter, you will not going to be leave a single question if it is coming from your board examination. I'm definitely sure, if you read this chapter and if you practice this question in your board examination, if from this chapter, if any question will come, you cannot leave that question. You will definitely write that question. Okay, right, so let's see this. This is a very short question answer. Do all people of country have the same notation of development? No, it is not possible. Like in, do you think like in our Telangana every people have the same development goal? No, someone want a bike, someone want the luxury car, someone want house, someone want good food. So everybody have different types of goals. Okay, like if you see, everybody have different goals. Okay, if you are a student, then if you see, if you're in your class, if your teacher asks you what you want to become in your future, someone say I will go in army, someone say I will become engineer, someone say I will become doctor, someone say, if you, someone see the teacher and they will say I become teacher. Like that, everybody have the different goals, so development goals will be not same for the everybody. Okay, explain the step taken from improve the schooling of the country. Okay, you are I think if you are here, then you are a private student, you are studying the English medium. Will you see the schooling, government school? And if you see that, then what type of development goal you will think about the government school students? In the government school, who is going to study, who doesn't have enough food to eat, and their family background is very poor, this type of students go. And government school situation is very I don't want to talk about that, but let's see. So question number 3, how does the gender biases affect when the women's work outside of the home? Okay, like when the women's go to the working outside, they face a lot of problem, not a single problem, families and like societies, etc. Lots of problem will be. So difference between developed and developing nation. What is developed and developing nation? You have to say about the difference. Okay, now this is a short answer question. At the time of India independence, like most of the states in India, Himachal Pradesh had a very low level of education. Write your opinion in the factor of changed this schooling in Himalayas, Himachal Pradesh, not a Himachal. This is a Himalaya, not Himachal Pradesh. It is okay. You have to write. Actually, in right now in India, we are facing a lot of issue, like language discriminations and religion discriminations, region discrimination. Like some people say you are from north, and some people say you are from south. And after that, if it is not happening, then some people say you are from the different regions like Bihar and Haryana, Rajasthan, like something. Okay, if it is also not there, then it will come to the language. You are the Hindi people speaking, you are the Marathi people speaking, you are the Maithili people speaking, you are the Bhojpuri people speaking, Telugu, Tamil, like etc. Okay, if you are out from this one, the real problem of our country is it about the taxes, educations, transportations, architecture, okay, and the IT hubs. So these are the really problems of our nation, not this. Okay, the real problem is, if you see the railways, it is undeveloped. If you see the other country railways, it is totally developed, and our railways, it is 4 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours late. So you can think about what the development goals for our nation, our peoples. Okay, I hope you are intelligent, you will understand this, and you have to be always think about. Okay, whenever you go to your 12th class, don't leave the study about studying the socials. Study the socials, you will understand your economicals and political things. Politics is important for the students because you are the futures of the nation, of the country. Okay, so this is the last question. This is an easy type question. Why do you think parents across less priority of girls education compared to the boys? Okay, like in city it is normal. In city the girls and boys and like son and girls both go to the school. But when you go to the urban areas, like village areas, the outer areas of cities, their parents prefer the boys to study. They send their children to study, but they didn't send their girls. If they will send their girls to study, they will for the only for 10th class. Then after it's completed 10th class in their village, then 12th class if there is in like district, they will send. After the if the complete 12th, for the degree purpose, they will not send anywhere like Hyderabad and something. They will not send. This is a mentality of the village people, and I think it is also needed. Why? Because education is needed for the girls and it is necessary, but the family will think about the women's where he will stay, what they do and something. But if the colleges will be near, they take the admission. So these problems issued in the happen, but right now it's totally ended. Like slowly it is going to end. Right now everyone going to study, girls and boys, but in the preference there is some different. Okay, right now also. So I hope this chapter is going to be clear to you and you don't have any kinds of doubt. And if you don't have any kinds of doubt, then it is amazing. And if you have a doubt, then just leave a question and definitely I will give the answer of this one. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you, and if you really like this video, share with your friends, and we will meet on next video. Jai Hind.